Hi, my name is Chris Okorie. I actually work with a company that promotes African businesses online, which is why I'm reaching you here today. So, during my research for African businesses online, I came across your website, davisolfoods.com, which means that you have a hosted website and domain. So definitely you pay for your domain and your hosting. From research, I discovered that your domain is 2 years old, so you've been paying for your domain and pay for your HTTPS, which is security. So definitely you need to, if you really want to start selling, you need want to start getting customers online. If you want to, and you know that mostly people are going online now to do their shopping through their mobile phone and their desktop computer and their tab. Okay, so you need to optimize your website. You really need to put more effort, in order to be able to be bringing customers, getting customers, what we call targeted customers, to your store. Either someone around you search African food store near me, African shop near me, or you can even decide to run some ads to a specific area. People in that area will always see your shop. Your shop will always come up first, and you know what it means is that they will definitely click. From there, they will see what you have in your store. From there, they can refer you to your friend, to their friend. They can order online, and you can start doing online, maybe delivering. You can deliver it, they purchase online, you deliver, with to their doorstep, something like that. Every business is all just about growth, getting customers, okay, the right customers, not just anyhow customers. So I'm here to offer you some value today, that even if after implementing this it's going to improve the visibility of your businesses online, your business online, your products online. And one thing about online visibility is that even if you don't have that product at hand, just the picture alone and the some details can write up, can tell you if customers will really want this or not. So I'm here to give you some values that even if you don't really want to hire us, you can still get someone. But I recommend you go for an expert. It's okay, because you need to give it to professionals to work out for you. So now let's head into your website. I can see already I've seen the HTTPS. That is very good. That's the site security. And you have nice images, nice layout, nice picture PV and everything. So definitely I like the map, but this map need to not to be on the home page. So okay, I really like the way this food, this ogbono soup, and it's a very nice capture. And some of the statements you stated here, he said, "Shop with ease, no experience necessary." Okay, all right, which is a very call to actions. CTA, something that can really bring home closer to you, to home. You will bring home close to. So you have nice statements and nice idea. All right, but I'm critically looking at this site to tell you some things that can be improved. Okay, so looking at this homepage, is supposed to be, because this is a home page, it's supposed to be a landing page, a place people can land and you see something like CTA, like shop now, coupon, get this, maybe discount rate and the rest of them. So definitely this features product will be here, which is very nice featured, but the images, they are too big, is going to be, and you need to optimize these images. And okay, view all, sales corner and rest of them. This photo gallery is you're supposed to go to have a photo gallery. People, if you really want to see the gallery, take them there, because this is the home page. Okay, and the business, there's another thing I discovered here. About us should have its own separate page. It says delivering and all these things. It should have its own separate pages. Contact us should be different. This map here should be different. All the site content should be different. It should be, the testimonial can be waving on the front page, and the FAQs questions. Okay, and the video can be here, but it need to be twisted a bit, and the footer need to be done some work. Okay, so all right, when I typed your African divorce set, Davisol tropical food store online. So your website came up first. Of course, that is very good, but you don't have Google My Listing, which is very important these days because of location. So it's very good. You have them here. So you have them here. So let's head to another page. So this is shop. You see the shop here. You have categories. This thing, this product needs to be categorized, in such a way that it will be cosmetics, maybe condiments, oil, native things, hair products. You can categorize it somewhere here so that it can be easier for customers to locate, and the images need to be twisted a bit, okay, so that you can see that at this page now you have only I think just 9 products, no, 12 products on a page. So meaning that for you to say next one, you need to go to, but it can be twisted in such a way that you can have up to 24 over in here. Can have up to 24 or more. You can just plan to go to the next page. So the number of from here that you have about 332 pages to be opened for them to get all the products. You can minimize this thing to like maybe depending on the products you have, the number of products you have. You can limit it to like 5, 6, 7. But this 32 is too much. Okay. So, and remember, you should be paying. You are paying, and if you don't even consider it, they've started. Your competitors are out there updating their websites or doing so many things to go online. Okay, your Facebook. When you only have 8 likes and 9 likes, but anyway. But one thing that marveled me here is that you have great pictures. You have great pictures. You have great pictures on pictures view. You have great pictures. See, this is wonderful pictures that can be used on your website, and your Facebook page too. Okay, so you need to hand this over your online presence to an expert. You might just be managing your store, getting customers on store. Somebody will be there out there working on how to pull in customers. Pull in people customers from online. In your location, like in Canada or Ontario. Those specific area that you really want. They will come into your place. So this is your Instagram. 64 followers, and so because you need to do some more work, and you have a very nice space in here. All right, and this is a very beautiful shop. You see the way the shop is beautiful. I like this. See, so you're supposed to have online just the way your shop is beautiful. And can you imagine how much money you pay for here? Maybe yearly, or I don't know how they charge. You pay here just for your shop to be here. So, but your online presence will not cost you much. Just online presence is just the same thing as having your shop also, but this one not in physical location, but now online location. So people can actually purchase online. You handle it to here. You can decide to ship for them, okay, and something like that, making it easier for them. Even they can stay at home and receive their product, because if your shop really deserves that. You're paying much for you to be here. It's a very nice layout. I love this shop. It's very beautiful and well arranged. All right. Now, when I type to African stores in Hamilton, okay, of course, because of that Google location that you put on your site, you're able to come up first. You see, your website came up first. Your website came up first, and it's all about them. The next one is your competitor, which is African Foods. Is your competitor. So African Foods coming up. So these guys, they have a bit optimized, though they're not that much. They've not done that much, but at least they've done some great work on their website. And the African shop in Toronto, you see, you're not here because that Toronto is not your website is not premised for that. When you see that the African Foods is still coming up here, and the next one is Kotonko Foods products. Okay, so these are the things that you see at the first page. This is about 100 pages that 100 search results, and your website is not included on it. That is African shop in Toronto, and in Ontario still is not here. Okay, it came up here second because of there's Ontario on that Google map, that your Google location. But the main website is coming up here because of the same thing I'm trying to get. You can see because of your shop address. This is Ontario that you put here, Ontario, Canada, that you put here. So, all right. Then African shop, some of your community around is not coming up here at all. You just have a see. This is an example of Google My Listening. People can easily see and even see review and can decide to check in and see what you have there. Though you came up here down, but we can optimize it in such a way that you will be coming up here first. So you can just be around this place, within here, and that would be very good to your business advantage. Still the same thing in Okaville. So you can see this your competitor, the way he is ranking here. Okay, we can decide to be doing these things for you. You see this Florence Smith, the Google My Business. They are here. I don't think, I am not sure that if you came up here, your website came up here. I'm not that sure. Okay. All right. Now when we not try to test, when we tested this page speed, of course, this is very nice. It's mobile optimized, so this is how it looks in mobile, but the speed is unavailable. See the way it's 7 over 100. That is a very good score, and the same thing with your desktop 83. That is a very good score. So it's a very good responsive web design website. Okay, but when we tested it with other platforms, you can see the like it's taking about 14 seconds for the website to load, but at least 5 seconds should be enough. 14 seconds, okay, for the website to load. And because of the image, you can see the size of the image, and you don't even have much images there, not like your Facebook. You don't have, but they need to be compressed, don't need to work on them. See, it's more of the images. And other platform, you can see it's same thing, 14.5 seconds. That is about Vancouver, Canada. It was tested in Vancouver, Canada, and this is what you have in 14 point, and this 3.39 megabytes. All right, so it doesn't even have that. Why is it not taking this much? And this is your page score, and rest of it. So these are some work some things that you can really do some work and get your website updated. So it's still the same thing here. Because we tested it with other different platforms. So this is the summary of your report card. This is the report, your SEO report card. You can see tested African shop. You have 39 over, and imagine you see all these things. This is your site is not appearing within the top Google, Bing, and Yahoo. It's not there. It's not appearing there, and you can see the number of backlinks that you have. Only 555, it's not 5 links and internal links. And look at this African food. This is the home page. So this home page is supposed to be a landing page. I need to do some title and some meta tag and rest of them, just optimize this site. So, and as I said earlier, your domain is 2 years old. It's 2 years old, which is good. Okay, look at it. You can check this place. The website, it is only indexed in Google, yes, Bing, and Yahoo. So you've been indexed on your website. All the search engines are seeing them. So they need to. So anybody can do Google from Google, Yahoo, or Bing, and they will get your website coming up. Okay. So definitely these are the things that you need to do. Some of them they have some name like meta tag, headers, and others, which a professional can really understand. All right, but and again, that there's some platform you can use such that you can be knowing the number of visitors. Like look at an example of Feco Food, the company that we manage. You can see here, you can be able to see that this is the page view, the number of sessions, this is page view, this is the number of the bounce rate and everything. Okay, see the number of page view. From here, you can be able to know, okay, people are starting getting my stuff from Nigeria, United States, United Kingdom, Canada, and the number of view and the sources is coming from. Okay. And you can see this is the Google My Business listing. Here you can even know, because what I'm trying to show you here, that you can actually know that the product that is bringing more click to you. Like from here, now best African food stuff, which is one of the optimized keyword for this website. You can see the way you can really know what is happening, know the number of people that is on your page at that particular, and the country and where they are searching from. You can actually know. So this is Nigeria, United States, United Kingdom, Canada, and the rest of them, and the kind of devices they are all using to do that. So these are the things you need to know about. And when I type African foodstuff supply, which is one of the company that one of the keyword that this company Feco Food is ranking for, you can see that it came up second here. African foodstuff supplier, exporter, branding and packaging company. We are the leading and the registered African food supplier, exporter, something like that. And it's still the same thing. You can see African foodstuff product, and it's coming up here. This is the Google My Business listing, which is African foodstuff, the Feco Food Industries. Still coming up here second. So supplier, process, and the same thing. All right, and they are here. They're even coming up second. They also have coming up here your food best 50 best selling African food stuff you must have, something like that. And still the same thing, best selling African food stuff products. You can see Feco Food here. It's one of the blog posts hosted on Feco Foods. best-selling African food products. You can see they are coming up first. And the guide to import food items from Nigeria. Import food items from Nigeria to any country with this guide, something like that. And you can see any customer that wants to read about it can definitely, after it started to check the company that offer that value. All right, so these are some of the things you really need to optimize your website for. So, and if you check the company I work for, Okotech Digital Innovations, here we can get free website SEO and SMO analysis, which is part of what we just gave you. So in this place, you can be able to have access to your website, social media, audit your digital content, identify your primary persona, like your buyers' personas, like what are the kind of things that your customers think when they want to buy products, like African food products, African hair, African cosmetics, is this salon, like what they think in that mind. So that is, you can be able to define and be able to use all those content to develop smart goals, and also review your competitors, also know what they are, know the keyword they are optimizing online, and we can use those things to integrate them together and bring your website out very fully. So you can see these are one of the things you can receive in our free auditing. And after that, you can be able to choose, what plan will be best for you. So you can see these are the huge list of content. We have the huge of things that need to be done on your website for it to really work out fine. Some of them are monthly, and the charge is not that much, because this company is in partner with Feco Food, which is African food supplier too. So the intention is that you can equally supply foodstuff to your store, and also not only supply, you can only, through this company now, we can set you aside, you can set you up, set your shop to stand stand, and because the more you sell, the more you'll be requesting for Feco Food supply for you too. So you can take your time to check out some of all these things, and if it's something, it's also the digitalinnovations.com.price/pricing. So if you're really interested, but one thing I really need you to know that it is a very good investment to really do good work in your on your online presence. You can see what the amount you're paying here, and if you're not thinking about others, they have already started doing so. You can't just be expecting everybody to start coming to your store all the time. You need to start offering like home delivery service. Purchase online will deliver to you maybe in next 2 hours, in next 30 minutes, and the rest of them. And you can display more of the products here on the online. So, and I so much believe that this video has been a bit useful for you, and thank you for your time. God bless you.